Good morning, YouTube. Some people have 8:30 classes. I have an 8:30 appointment with the campfire to figure out what the hell's going on up here. They are definitely late for class. Whenever I walk by here, always got some good fire starting materials. Today, I just thought I'd come out here. I'm gonna make a fire, make up some breakfast because hashtag ResCaf sucks. And gonna do some reflecting and, I don't know if, kind of catching the sunrise, but it's not too visible. It's also very cloudy. But yeah, so just out here gonna make a fire and gonna make a video about it. We're back at our shelter. Haven't done any work on it yet. So, but yeah, we're gonna get a fire started. Check it out, I got a new tripod funded by a bunch of empty beer cans. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna collect some stuff to make the fire with, and we're gonna get it going. So we got the fire cooking away. We're gonna wait a little bit till it's more coals, and then we're gonna get started with breakfast. So what we got for breakfast today? We're gonna do some fried oats, some fried G. I got a lot of leftover stuff from our hiking trip that maybe I'll link it at the end. But yeah, it's super easy. It tastes so good, and it goes really well with water because then it like expands in your stomach. So that's what we'll be making today. And of course, they don't have it at the ResCaf because ResCaf sucks. Fried oats is super easy. All you gotta do is put some butter in there and then put some oats and balance it out. Put some brown sugar, and normally we have chocolate chips to give it a chocolatey taste, which is so good. Devin, thank you for showing me that on the trip. It's really good. But we don't have chocolate chips today, which is fine. So we're just gonna have regular fried oats. Get some oats in there. Threw some brown sugar in there with a little more butter, and it's almost done. My freaking pot broke, and it's hot as balls. But at least it broke when I thought it was done and taking it off. So we'll let it cool down, and then we'll eat up. Woo. That was hot. That was very hot. Oh, wow. I could have used these, but yeah, I thought I'd come out here, make some breakfast, spend some time alone, just reflect on things. Been a little weird lately. I'm just super excited to go home. So yeah, it's always nice out here though, by the campfire, out in the woods. It's easy to feel lonely when you're around people, but harder for me to feel alone when I'm out here. It's pretty dope. Currently 9:06. Early morning classes are still going on for some people. I'll probably do a little bit. I'll probably write in my journal. And when I get home, I'm doing this self-authoring thing from Jordan Peterson. It's a lot of writing. It's basically like an English class all about yourself. It's kind of cool, so we'll get that done. Trying to be a little bit more productive. It's super hard when you're a wrecker and you got so much time on your hands. Just waste it all. I'm sure some of you will know what I'm saying. Others know because you just have free time to do whatever the heck you want and you make use of it. I gotta start doing that, but it's hard. Man, this tripod is so nice though. Well, it's not the nicest one, it's just a cheap one off Amazon, but it's nice to have. Like, it's way better than just holding it out here or trying to prop this baby up. I don't know, super nice. Life's weird.
Yeah, trying to focus. Take a knife to my head, then I cut it open. Take my brain, put it on the floor, trying to figure out my motives. Y'all thought I was an issue when the door was locked, nah. You should see me when the door opens. Every night I can hear voices, put a camera in my face. Might turn Joker like a Mike Posner.